We'll now get the smoker going. We've got about a kilo of heat beads in the charcoal box tray, and all of the air vents are open. We'll now pop in a few lit coals into the centre to start the minion, and we'll start to assemble the smoker. Inside you can see the coals on the bottom, and we'll now pop in the water tray. The water tray is in place. We will fill it with some hot water to get things going. And put the first cooking tray in. The second cooking tray now goes on the top, and we're ready to put the lid on. On the side of the smoker you have two holes pre-drilled for the temperature probes, one for each of the cooking grates. We'll now leave the smoker to get up to temperature, and as it starts to reach temperature, we will start to close down the bottom vents. At this point, the top vent is completely open. The charcoal was burning till quite late last night and was lasting longer than I expected, which is a good sign. And so now this is the following morning, and we'll see how the smoker looks inside. Remove the lid. The water bowl is clean. The water was obviously evaporated fairly quickly yesterday. The cooking tray can come out, so can the water tray. See, there's very little charcoal left in the bottom, but there are one or two unlit coals, which is not unusual. Once the unit had got up to temperature, the bottom air holes were closed to about 1/8. And this was sufficient for it to remain at temperature for the duration of the smoke. We can now remove the body of the smoker to see the ash that is left in the bottom. You can also see that all three air vents were closed to about 7/8 for the duration of the smoke.